In last class, we have solved some problems of P block elements that were asked by JEE Main. Now we are going to solve some more problems that were asked by JEE Main in P block elements. The next question that was asked by JEE Main is question number 19. And this question is the correct order of a stability of hydrogen halide is HX is A option HF greater than HCl greater than HBr greater than HI, B option HI greater than HCl greater than HBr greater than HF, C option HF greater than HCl greater than less than HBr greater than HI, and D option is HI less than HBr greater than HCl less than HF. These are the four options given, and this was the question asked by JEE Main in 2005. If we solve this question, you probably know that thermal stability, in question thermal stability is asked. I have noted the thermal. Your thermal stability is asked is directly proportional to bond strength. A chemical species in which bond strength is higher, thermal stability will be higher, and bond strength is inversely proportional to size of atom. So if size of atom is higher, bond strength will be lower, and if bond strength is lower, thermal stability will be also lower. So HI has minimum, so the correct order, so the stability order will be, HF has highest, and then HCl, and then HBr, and then minimum bond strength is for HI. So A is the correct option, where you can see that HI has minimum bond strength, minimum stability, whereas HF has maximum bond stability. Question number 20. Heating an aqueous solution of aluminum chloride to dryness will give A option AlOH whole Cl2, B option Al2O3, C option Al2Cl6, and D option AlCl3. This was the question again asked by JEE Main in 2005. Probably you know that if we heat AlCl3 6H2O, then first AlOH whole Cl2 is formed, and then AlOH2Cl, and then AlOH whole 3 is formed. Actually, water of hydration do hydrolysis with AlCl3, that's why AlOH whole 3 is forming. Water of hydration, AlCl3 undergo hydrolysis with water of hydration, that's why AlOH whole 3 is forming. AlCl3 undergo hydrolysis with water of crystallization. Now if it is strongly heated to dryness, then AlOH2O3 produces Al2O3 plus water. So the final answer will be Al2O3 plus water. Al2O3 is the final product because AlCl3 undergo hydrolysis with its own water of crystallization. If you want to obtain dry AlCl3 from hydrated AlCl3 on heating, heat hydrated AlCl3 in presence of HCl gas. In that case, you will be able to obtain AlCl3 dry. If you simply heat hydrated AlCl3, water of hydration do hydrolysis with AlCl3 and Al2O3 get formed. Question number 21. In silicon dioxide SiO2 there are double bond between silicon and oxygen atom. B option, silicon atom is bonded to two oxygen atom. C option, each silicon atom is bonded to two oxygen atom and each oxygen atom is bonded to two silicon atom. D option, each silicon atom is surrounded by four oxygen atom and each oxygen atom is bonded to two silicon atom. This was the question asked by JEE Main 2005. If you look at the options given, SiO2 is a three-dimensional silicate. SiO2 is a three-dimensional silicate. It is not just like CO2. Silicate in which all four oxygen atoms are contributed to other silicate. In this way, each silicon atom is surrounded by four oxygen atoms. And each oxygen atom is bonded to two silicon atoms. Because silicate has a structure of O minus, O minus, O minus and O minus. All of four O minus get contributed to get attached to other silicate structure, and that's why each oxygen is attached to two silicon atom and each silicon atom is surrounded to four oxygen atom. So this is the correct answer. You should know that SiO2 is a three-dimensional silicate in which each silicon is surrounded by bonded to four oxygen atom and each oxygen atom is bonded to two silicon atom. The next question is question number 22. In this question it is told that the structure of B2S6 contain A option is 4 2C 2 electron bond and 4 3C 2 electron bond. B option 2 2C 2 electron bond and 2 3C 2 electron bond. C option 2C 2 electron bond and 4 2C 2 electron bond and 2 3C 2 electron bond. These are the 4 options given. This was the question asked by JEE Main again in 2005. If you look at the structure of B2S6 told that structure of B2S6 is as follows: H, B, H. Now one boron atom is attached to other boron atom through hydrogen through 3 center 2 electron bond. In this way you have 4. These bonds are normal covalent bond, and normal covalent bonds are 2 center 2 electron bond, because if you can see that there is 2 atoms between which 2 electrons are present. 4 2 center 2 electron bond, 1 2 3 4. And if you look at this structure, this is banana bonding 3 center 2 electron bond. So 2 3 center 2 electron bond. So the correct answer will be D, where B2S6 has 4 2 center 2 electron bond and 2 3 center 2 electron bond. Question number 23. Which of the following statement is true? Which of the following statement is true? A option: HClO4 is weaker acid than HClO3. B option: HNO3 is stronger acid than HNO2. C option: H3PO3 is stronger acid than H2SO3. And D option: in aqueous solution HF is stronger acid than HCl. If you look at the options, this was the question asked by JEE Main in 2006. If you look at the options given, HClO4 is weaker acid than HClO3. Definitely wrong. In oxy acid, if number of oxygen atoms are higher, then acidic acid will be more. So HClO4 will be a stronger acid. This is incorrect. HNO3 is stronger than HNO2. This is correct statement. This same rule is valid here also. If number of oxygen atom is higher, then acidic acid of oxy acid will be more. H3PO3 is a stronger acid than H2SO3. Again wrong, because if you look at the number of oxygen atom is same, then you have to look at the electronegativity of central atom, and central atom is more electronegative in sulfur, H2SO3. So this is stronger rather than this one. In aqueous solution, HCl is a stronger, not HF is a stronger acid. So B is the correct option. Next question is question number 24. Question number 24 is the increasing order of first ionization energy of elements boron, phosphorus, sulfur and fluorine is A option: boron less than phosphorus less than sulfur less than fluorine. B option: boron less than sulfur less than phosphorus less than fluorine. C option: fluorine less than sulfur less than phosphorus less than boron. And D option: phosphorus less than sulfur less than boron less than fluorine. So these are the questions asked by JEE Main in 2006. The question is the increasing order of first ionization energy. If you look at the trend of ionization energy in periodic table, you will have trend of unanswered energy. This one in group increases upward and in period increases from left to right. And if you look at the position of element that are given, boron is here, phosphorus is here, sulfur is here, fluorine is here. In this way you can clearly say that unanswered energy order will be boron has less than phosphorus, then sulfur, then fluorine. So this is the correct answer. Unanswered energy order will be boron, phosphorus, sulfur and fluorine. However, you can see that here it has at adjacent position there may be difference due to electronic configuration. Phosphorus has half-filled configuration, and that's why the correct order will be sulfur has less than unanswered energy that of phosphorus, and so the correct answer is B, where it is told that sulfur has lower unanswered energy than phosphorus. Due to, first of all, we have seen the trend, and then after we have seen the electronic configuration stability of atoms at adjacent position. Phosphorus and sulfur are present at adjacent position, and that's why we have seen the electronic configuration stability. Phosphorus has half-filled configuration, and that's why it is more stable, and hence its unanswered energy will be higher. Question number 25. Question number 25 is what products are expected from the disproportionation reaction. Disproportionation reaction of hypochlorous acid. Hypochlorous acid is HClO. A option is HCl and Cl2O. B option is HCl and HClO3. C option is HClO3 and Cl2O, and D option is HClO2 and HClO4. These are the four options given, and this was the question asked by JEE Main in 2006. This was the question asked by JEE Main in 2006. If you look at the options given, the question is what is the disproportionation product of HClO? In HClO, chlorine has oxidation state of +1, which get disproportionation, then possible product will be HCl -1, where it is reducing, and HClO3 where it is getting oxidized. Disproportionation means in one case oxidation number should decrease, and in another case oxidation number should increase. The only one option that is given here is HCl and HClO3. So in disproportionation of hypochlorous acid, that is HClO, chlorine has oxidation state of +1. If it is undergoing disproportionation, then in one case oxidation number should decrease, and in another case oxidation number should increase. So the correct answer will be B. The next question that was asked by JEE Main is question number 26. And this question was identify the incorrect statement among the following. Among the following. Identify the incorrect statement among the following. A option is Br2 react with NaOH. Hot and conc solution and give NaBr plus H2O. This is NaBr and H2O. This is correct statement. As you can see that Br2 when react with NaOH, it undergo disproportionation. One product is NaBr, other product is NaBrO3. So other product is also there, but if you look at the one product, then this is the correct product given. Ozone react with SO2 to SO3. This is correct. to give SO3. This is correct. This is certainly correct. If you look at the option A, that is partially correct. Correct option will be actually NaBr plus NaBrO3 plus water. In this question, it is not given NaBrO3. Silicon react with NaOH to produce Na2SiO3 and water. This is correct. Silicon doesn't undergo deproportionation. It simply form NaSiO3 plus H2O. And D option is Cl2 react with NH3 to form N2 and HCl. This is correct in one case. If you there are two ways in Cl to react with NH3. If Cl2 is excess and if NH3 is excess. If NH3 is excess, the possible product is this one. If Cl2 is excess, then the possible product will be NH4Cl plus N2. If NH4Cl plus N2, if I think I am telling wrong, because Cl2 react in two ways. NH3, if you react it this way, then the possible product is N2 plus HCl, and the other product is NH3. If you react it as a NH4Cl plus N2. If it is excess present, then this is the product. If it is excess present, then this is the product. That is, this is, I think, 2. This is 2 mole. Then 2 add nitrogen. This is 3 mole. So 3. There will be 6 HCl. If it is excess present, then you will have 2 here and 2 chlorine is there. And if you look at this option, so you will have 4. I think 4 will be the correct. 4 will be the correct because nitrogen is 4 and hydrogen is 8. Hydrogen we have to balance also. Again, hydrogen have to be balanced. But it is clear that NH3 is in excess. So this is correct. In one case, this is correct. The incorrect option will be A, where it is told that Br2 react with NaOH to produce NaBr and H2O. Actually, Br2 when react with NaOH, it undergoes disproportionation reaction, and the complete product is NaBr plus NaBrO3 plus water. So you cannot say NaOH with NaOH, Br2 only give NaBr and H2O, but the complete product is NaBr plus NaBrO3 plus water. Question number 26. Regular use of following fertilizer increases acidity of soil. Explain. Which ammonium sulfate, B option is potassium nitrate, C option is urea, and D option is superphosphate of lime. This is the question asked by JEE Main 2007. If you look at the option given, in ammonium sulfate, when ammonium sulfate is used, it reacts with water to give NH4OH and H2SO4. H2SO4 is the dead portion, almost dead portion. It is not used by plant. And if H2SO4 is deposited, then acidity of soil will increase. So the correct answer will be ammonium sulfate itself, because in ammonium sulfate, nitrogen is used by plants, but sulfur is not used by plants, and that's why H2SO4 is deposited on soil, and due to which acidity of soil will increase. If you look at the potassium nitrate, potassium is also used and nitrogen is also used. Urea, nitrogen is also used. Superphosphate of lime mainly contain phosphorus. Sulfur is present, but it is a dead portion. It is not soluble in water. It is a CaSO4, and that's why it is deposited on the soil. And that's why it doesn't increase the acidic strength of soil by higher amount. The fertilizer which will increase the acidic strength of soil by largest amount is ammonium sulfate. This is the correct option, ammonium sulfate. Oh, sorry, this is the question number 27. Written is 26. This is question number 27, asked by JEE Main in 2007. Question number 28. Which one of the following statement is correct? Asked in JEE 2008. A option is boric acid is a protonic acid. Wrong. Boric acid is a Lewis acid. It cannot give proton. Beryllium exhibit coordination number of 6. This is not possible. Coordination number of 6 is not possible with beryllium because beryllium has no vacant d orbital. It can have maximum coordination of 4. Chlorides of both beryllium and aluminum have breached chloride in solid state. This is correct statement. Beryllium BeCl2 form a polymeric BeCl2n, whereas aluminum form AlCl3 form Al2Cl6 in solid state due to less number of electrons with beryllium and aluminum, and that's why they undergo polymerization, or you can say dimerization. In case of beryllium, polymerization occur. In case of aluminum, dimerization occur through 3 center 2 electron bond to complete their octet. And D option is B2S6 2NS3 is known as inorganic benzene. Is known as inorganic benzene. This is incorrect again. This is incorrect again. B2S6 2NS3 is not inorganic benzene. Actually, B3N3S6. B3N3S6 is inorganic benzene. So the correct option is this one, C, where you can see that it is told that chloride of both beryllium and aluminum have breached chloride in their solid state. This is the correct statement. Question number 29. Question number 29 is, which one of the following reaction of xenon compounds is not feasible? A option is XeF4 react with water, hydrolysis undergo disproportionation reaction. This is correct. 12HF plus 1.5 O2. If you write it in balance form, this is 6, this is 3. This is correct. Disproportionation occur in case of XeF4 when hydrolysis happens. It reacts with 2H2O to gives 2Xe plus 4HF plus O2. C option. This is again correct. Again hydrolysis is occurring. Then fluoride is undergoing hydrolysis. XeF6 react with RbF to produce, this is producing F minus, Rb plus XeF7 minus. This is again correct. And the D option, that must be incorrect. It is told that XeF6 plus 3H2. This was the question asked by JEE Main in 2009. If you look at the options given, you know that xenon fluoride undergo hydrolysis. If you look at the last option, this is the reverse reaction of XeF6 plus 3H2O react with to produce XeO3 plus HF. Reverse of D is possible, and hence the reverse of D is possible. D option is possible, and hence this reaction, the step D, the option D is incorrect option, because this option, the reverse reaction of the spontaneous reaction is given. So this reaction is not going to happen. So these are the questions asked by JEE Main in P block elements that we have solved from 2004 to 2009.